Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well and way better than me. Alright guys, so we do have some spoilers for the BoxyCharm March premium box. Now these are the full spoilers. You know this is all Fenty Beauty. So we do have the full spoilers for it. So again, I wanted to go ahead and get y'all something up. I'm not completely back yet. I got 4 videos I'm going to try to get up for y'all today. I don't know if I'll be able to get them all up or not, y'all, but I'm going to try it. You know, sitting in a subway parking lot, still in their free Wi-Fi, isn't exactly what I planned to do. But again, y'all stick with me. As soon as I'm back, it should be around the end of the month, I'll get y'all a video up explaining everything. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. So first up, we got the Fenty Beauty, the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. Then we have the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. Beautiful gold shade. Next up is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in Diamond Milk. And then we have the Match Stix Shimmer Skin Stick. And then you'll get 1 out of 5 luminous shades. So you'll either get Shimmer Confetti, Rum, Unicorn, Blonde, or Chili Mango. Next up is the Matte Moselle. Well, y'all know how to say that. Y'all knew where Riri was going with that one. This is the Plush Matte Lipstick, and you'll get 1 out of 6 shades. You'll either get Clap Back, Griselda, PMS, ooh, that's my favorite, Salty, Single, or Candy Venom. And last but certainly not least is the Invisimatte Blotting Paper. Those are full spoilers, and they're all going to be Fenty Beauty. So if you like Fenty Beauty, if you've ever wanted to try it, I think this is the best box to get, and I can't wait to see what everybody thinks of it. And again, guys, if y'all have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you it ain't always like this. And again, I do apologize for the inconvenience. It is temporarily, well, it's ruining my life. Let's just say that. But it can only get better from here. I mean, the universe has got to give me something good. So hopefully, again, by the end of the month, I'll be back up and running full, throwing videos out like I normally would do. As for right now, I'm sitting in a subway parking lot in the pouring rain with a tear in my eye. But I missed y'all, and I had to get y'all a video up. And not to mention my check looks kind of sucky for next month. Another thing, guys, I couldn't be more grateful for those that have donated to my PayPal. You have no idea how much that helped me, especially in this extreme time of need. You know, it's just me and my boys, and I'm barely making ends meet. But again, I wanted to thank y'all. But anyways, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Stick with me. I promise you it'll get better. And also rate the video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't. So make sure your notification bell's on. That way you know when I upload a video. And also you'll be there for that video that makes you feel better about your life. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.